Hi everybody, my name is Saul and I'm from Mexico. And well, now I'm gonna talk about pre-Hispanic cultures. A pre-Hispanic culture is all those cultures which were in Mexico and Latin America before Hispanic colonization. The main cultures in Mexico were Mayan and Aztecs. Um, Well, Aztecs were located in central Mexico, um, mainly in Mexico City. The legend tells the Aztecs were roaming through the country until they found um, an eagle eating a snake, and they found uh, their civilization there. This place was called Tenochtitlan, now Mexico City. Actually, an Aztec temple is located, is found in downtown Mexico City. This culture started in 1300 and ends in 1521. In this era, they spoke Nahuatl, and they were very organized into city and states. The principal cities were Tenochtitlan, Texcoco, Tlacopan, and Teotihuacan. Here in this last one, in Teotihuacan, is found the biggest city with the pyramids El Sol y la Luna. It's a very touristic place near to Mexico City, like 1 hour more or less. Well, Mayas or Mayans in English were located in it used to be located in southeast Mexico in the state of Yucatan between 2000 before 2000 BC to 250 of this era. Uh, Mayan is the language of this civilization. They were famous, or they are famous for their architecture. And a fun fact is they invent the zero in math. I would like to talk about flora in Mexico, and now I'm gonna talk about some native plants found here, found in Mexico. Um, the first one is Yoloxochitl, um, or Mexican magnolia. Is a little white flower you can see in the first image. In the second image, you can see Biznaga is a cactus like a bowl, founded in desert zones. And well, maize or corn in English, this is the most used cereal in Mexican food. And the last one is Cactus candelabro, and this cactus is only found in Mexican deserts. Well, finally, fauna. Well, here are represented some animals commonly found in Mexico. In the first image, you can see the monarch butterfly, or in Spanish, Mariposa monarca. Um, Well, this butterfly migrate every year through Canada to Michoacan, Mexico. The second image you can see, the second picture you can see tapir. Tapir is a mammal. This mammal has its home in South Mexico. Uh, After that, you can see the real eagle. This is this eagle represent the Mexican flag. Mm, the quetzal is a small blue bird native of Mexico, and the last one is Xolo's squinkly dog. This dog doesn't have hair, and for many pre-Hispanic cultures, this dog guides souls after death. And well, this is all for me, and thank you for watching. And now, Dalia is talking about some other topics about Mexico. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Dalia Guadarrama. I'm from Guanajuato, Mexico, and I will continue with the presentation. In Mexico, corn has been the basis of the Mexican food since pre-Hispanic times. And Mexican cuisine is characterized for its colors and the flavors. And I continue, I will mention it more representative dishes in Mexican culture. We have mole, that is a combination of chilies, spices, seeds, and also chocolate. Normally, it's served with rice and chicken. This is a very special dish in every family dinner or for a holiday. Also, we have tacos. The basis is a tortilla with seasoned meat. And also we have a pozole, that is a red and spicy soup with pork meat with corn. This is served with lettuce and radish. Um, and chiles en nogada, that is a very special dish because it's representative during independence holidays for its colors that it's similar to the colors of the flag. It's a big Poblan chili stuffed with meat, covered with white sauce and some pomegranate in the top. Uh, well, we continue with chilaquiles, that is tortilla with red or green sauce, with scrambled eggs and black beans. And for example, we have carnitas, that is pork meat, uh, made it in a big copper saucepan with butter. In Mexico, that kind of butter we call manteca and gives a very special flavor to the food. For other side, we have barbacoa. This is a very complex dish because people carve a hole in the ground. So they put the meat in there and cover with leaves of maguey. And sometimes it's a long preparation, so maybe it takes 12 hours to finish that. So we continue with representative beverage. Um, we have a beverage called pulque, that is a pre-Hispanic drink. It's a fermented beverage of maguey. It has a colored milk, and it considered as medical drink. Um, we have also a tequila that is made from agave azul, blue agave. And the tequila's manufacturing it's industrial. So as you know, there are many brands of this kind of drink, and commonly is drinked with lemon and regular salt. And for other side, we have mezcal. It's This is from different types of agave, and the flavor is stronger than tequila. And it's made by hand. This drink it's with lemon and also warm salt that is with dry chilies. It's different. And also we have fresh fruit waters like Jamaica, that is hibiscus, tamarindo, and horchata, that is cinnamon with rice. It's a very sweet flavor. It's very refreshing for hot days. Well, we continue with furthermore, that adds to Mexican culture. It's an array to typical dresses or typical outfits. That is, well, this style depending of the region of the country. For example, in the north, we have like in the bottom. Shorts, skirts with boots for girls, and for boys we have hats with boots also, but it's more simple outfit. For example, in Jalisco or Chiapas, it's more on the south of the country. There, the outfits are more colorful and lovely, and also the music it's a little more friendly for the sounds. We have charros, that it's a big head with a river in the neck, and it's also called charreria, that it's a activity that the charros, as I mentioned it, it's playing with horses and bulls also. It's a very spectacular activity if you see it. This type of dressing are using for holidays or specific ceremonies, but normally people don't use it anymore. But it's a shame because they are so beautiful dresses, as you can see in the pictures. Okay, so well, Mexico has a lot diversity and traditions that is difficult to mention them all. So I really hope that you enjoyed the presentation from Alejandra, Saul, and myself for learning more about our beautiful country. And thank you, everything. Thank you so much.